Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook pheni, a wonderfully light and sweet dessert. Let us start by gathering your ingredients and preparing your work area. This dish is perfect for a comforting treat or as a lovely addition to any festive meal. We will gently toast the delicate vermicelli, then slowly simmer it in a rich, creamy, sweetened milk, creating a delightful texture. The process is quite simple, and the results are truly rewarding. First, grab about 100 grams of your fine vermicelli, also known as cevian. In a spacious pan, melt 1 full tablespoon of rich ghee or quality unsalted butter over a gentle medium-low flame. Once melted, add the vermicelli to the pan and begin toasting. Stir constantly for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until the vermicelli achieves a beautiful, light golden brown hue, ensuring it is evenly browned. This step is crucial for developing its nutty flavor. Next, carefully pour 2 1/2 cups of whole milk directly into the pan with your beautifully toasted vermicelli. Now, sprinkle in 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar and a delicate pinch of ground cardamom. This spice adds a wonderful aromatic touch. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low setting. Let it simmer softly for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the vermicelli is perfectly tender and the milk begins to thicken slightly. Once your pheni has achieved that perfect, creamy consistency, take it off the heat. For an extra layer of subtle fragrance, stir in 1/4 of a teaspoon of delicate rose water, though this is entirely optional. Now, gently ladle the warm pheni into your individual serving bowls, ready to be enjoyed. For a beautiful finish and a delightful crunch, garnish each serving with a sprinkle of finely chopped pistachios or some elegant blanched almonds. Serve it warm for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.